Hey, Manny.
Now we're on to our report on a man who was found dead in his apartment Tuesday afternoon last week. The name of the man is Albert Emerson. Albert was known to have violent schizophrenia that would make him very aggressive towards anything. His doctor prescribed him an emotional support animal, a dog he named Manny. But one day, Albert had a meltdown after hearing Manny bark at another dog down the hall of his floor. He then proceeded to grab the dog by the collar and slammed him down onto the floor repeatedly until the dog stopped moving. But then 2 days later, after complaints that had been sent about a horrible smell coming from his apartment, the landlord had found him with his dog collar around his neck. The police did an investigation on the death of Albert. They have found the dog's body in the kennel. Albert was found dead in the corner of his kitchen counter. Police investigated his home and did not find any kind of forced entry, so they chalked it up
To suicide.
thinking he could live with himself after killing his own pet. Revenge, 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 revenge.